How do I contact Kraken customer care? Intro. Hey there, you're deep in the crypto world, navigating the turbulent seas of trading. Suddenly, you encounter a storm, a technical glitch, a lost deposit, or a security concern. Who do you turn to for help? That's where Kraken customer care comes in. Hook. Ever felt like you were shouting into the void when trying to reach customer support? Well, fear not, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the Kraken customer care labyrinth, uncovering the best ways to get in touch and resolve your issues. Understanding Kraken customer care. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of contacting Kraken, let's understand what their customer care team is all about. Kraken is known for its robust security and advanced trading features. But great customer service is equally important. Their team is dedicated to assisting users with everything from account setup to troubleshooting complex issues. The Kraken Help Center, your first stop. The Kraken Help Center is your one-stop shop for answers to most common questions. It's a treasure trove of articles, FAQs, and tutorials covering a wide range of topics. Before you reach out to customer support, take a few minutes to search the Help Center. You might find the solution you're looking for without having to wait. Contacting Kraken customer care, the different channels. Now, let's talk about the various ways to contact Kraken customer care. Choose the method that best suits your situation and preference. 1. Live chat. For quick and immediate assistance, the live chat feature is a great option. Simply log into your Kraken account and look for the live chat icon. A customer support representative will be there to assist you in real time. 2. Email. If your issue is more complex or requires detailed information, email is a suitable choice. Kraken provides specific email addresses for different types of inquiries. Be sure to include all relevant details in your email to expedite the resolution process. 3. Support tickets. Another way to submit a support request is through the Kraken support ticket system. This is particularly useful for non-urgent issues or if you prefer a more formal approach. Simply log into your account and navigate to the support section to create a ticket. 4. Social media. Kraken is active on social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit. While these channels aren't the primary means of customer support, you can sometimes find helpful information or connect with other users who may have encountered similar issues. Tips for effective communication. To ensure a smooth and efficient interaction with Kraken customer care, keep these tips in mind. Be clear and concise. Clearly articulate your problem or question. Avoid jargon or technical terms that may confuse the support representative. Provide necessary details. Include any relevant information, such as transaction IDs, error messages, or screenshots. Be patient. Customer support representatives often deal with a high volume of inquiries. Please be patient and courteous while waiting for a response. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a satisfactory response within a reasonable time frame, don't hesitate to follow up on your inquiry. Troubleshooting common issues. Here are some common issues that Kraken users may encounter and how to address them. Account verification. If you're having trouble verifying your account, make sure you've provided all the necessary documents and followed the instructions carefully. Deposits and withdrawals. If you're experiencing issues with deposits or withdrawals, double-check the transaction details and ensure you've met any applicable requirements. Technical difficulties. If you're facing technical problems, try troubleshooting steps such as clearing your browser cache or checking your internet connection. Conclusion. Reaching out to Kraken customer care doesn't have to be a daunting task. By understanding the available channels and following the tips we've discussed, you can effectively resolve your issues and continue your crypto journey with confidence. Call to action. Have you encountered any challenges with Kraken customer care? Share your experiences in the comments below. Let's help each other navigate the crypto world together. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Kraken customer care.